to have your job in the year 2025 and 2026 and going forward? Well, let's look at some of these jobs that will be affected by AI in the next coming years. So we're going to start at number one, which is interpreters and translators. Now, the reason is that these jobs might be affected is because there are AI powered earbuds providing like translation in real time. So if you can look at my screen here, you'll see that there are companies already which have developed some technology which is able to translate real-time communication when you are speaking to somebody. So definitely when it comes to interpreters and translators, these jobs will definitely be affected by AI, unless if you are speaking a certain language which has not already been like uploaded into AI systems, then you might still have a job. But if that language gets uploaded into AI systems, then definitely you will also be affected. So let's look at number two, historians, right? So AI can already process and analyze like vast archives of documents. So you can go into AI platforms, you can do a lot of research when it comes to history. You don't have to go and ask your grandfather or your grandmother about what happened back in the day. AI already has a lot of information when it comes to history, and it will continue to grow and capture most of the archives that exist in the world. Now let's look at job number three, writers and authors. Now, AI right now can definitely write books, and it can be trained to write with specific styles like your favorite author and such. So, for those who are very talented authors, they might still have a job right now, but definitely right now when you're reading a book, you can't even see whether that book was written by an AI or by a human author. So these jobs definitely will be affected. And the good thing about AI is it keeps its data updated, unlike a book that's already written. Now let's go to job number four, customer service support. Now, when you try and communicate with companies recently, especially if you have an inquiry, you normally chat to a chat box or an AI powered virtual assistant, especially if you have like a basic issue. So you will only be escalated to a human being when the issue becomes more complex. But for those entry level kind of issues, chatbots and AI powered virtual systems will handle those issues for you. So those kind of jobs definitely have already been impacted by AI chatbots. Now let's go to the next job, ticket agents and travel clerks. So with the rise of online booking platforms and automated kiosks, they've already been impacted by this field of AI. So if you go to train stations, airports, you'll see a lot of kiosks where you must do or where you can do yourself purchasing of tickets and stuff like that. So it means that this industry will impact, or it has already impacted jobs. There are a lot of people who have been laid off. So the agents won't completely disappear, but definitely the companies won't hire a lot more because a lot of purchasing of tickets will go to those automated machines. Now let's go to the number six job, which will be affected by AI, broadcast announcers and radio DJs. Now, AI is capable of generating news reports, curating music playlists based on preferences. So there are radio stations out there which are already testing AI. So in Australia, there was an radio station which was hosted by an AI for 6 months, and no one noticed. So going forward, you might be listening to radio and you might not notice that it's AI in that or AI radio station that you're listening to. So even the music can be curated by an AI. You don't need a radio DJ to come and organize a playlist for you. So a lot of things can be automated using AI, and these are some of the jobs that will be impacted heavily. So you must get ready to be prepare yourself for what's going to happen in the future. Stay adaptable. Always be willing to learn new stuff. Don't stay rigid, and don't box yourself. Be willing to adapt. Be willing to start over. Be willing to move into new industry. And yeah, I wish you all the best in your job search, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you are interested in learning cybersecurity, join the live classes on Monday at half past 7 p.m. and also Wednesday 7:30 p.m. South African time. And I'll see you guys in the next video.